Hey sis, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivienne-Karlene and I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. In today's video, I just wanted to take you behind the scenes of my latest hobby, which is hand painting handbags. The bags I choose for these projects are usually bags that I really want to get rid of, bags that I do not love anymore, that have not made their way to the chopping block. Case in point, this old Coach Madison in the color wine. This was just the wrong color bag, sis. It was the wrong color bag, but the price was so good when I purchased it a few years ago. I have not been able to part with it. First of all, because one of my handbag girlfriends, she's always saying, Viv, don't get rid of that bag. You might regret it. Well, Nia, you were right. You were right. I'm glad I didn't get rid of this bag because, girl, this bag is going to be perfect for today's project. Okay, quick backstory. Over the weekend, we were heading home from a theme park and we stopped at an outlet in San Marcos, Texas. And that outlet just so happened to have a Gucci store. I've never been inside of a Gucci outlet, so girl, I was blown away. As soon as I walked in, I spotted the bag. The bag was so me. The bag spoke to the handbag lover in me, the gardener in me. It was just so bold. I was like, I want it, I want it, I want it. And then I tried it on. Big mistake because it made me want it even more. However, I told myself in 2025, Viv, you're not just gonna waste no money on buying a bag, you better think about it before you go spend all that money. And the bag was on sale. But I told myself, no, go home and think about it. Well, came home, thought about it, really wanted the bag. And I do believe, well, up until this moment, I was like, I'm getting that bag. But in the meantime, I said, hobby, do your thing. So I picked up or pulled out this old Coach Madison because it's the same shape, size, and silhouette. And I started drawing all over, well, painting the bag. And then I realized, girl, you were trying to copy that bag. We don't do that. So I wiped the slate clean. And here is what I was able to create. Girl, I just let myself be free. And while I was painting this bag, I was reminiscing about the joy that I felt when I saw that Gucci bag at the store for the first time. And that feeling translated to this. Girl, when I finished this bag here and I walked into my closet, I was grinning from ear to ear. This is not like the Gucci bag, but it gives me the feeling of the Gucci bag. The bright colors, the boldness, the patterns, the flowers. This bag feels more like me. And I love the fact that I was able to give myself that feeling while holding on to some of my cash. You know what I'm saying. And I took it a step further and I wrote like beautiful words on my bag. I have peace, joy, faith, love on this bag. And I am happy to carry it while saving money at the same time. Do I want that Gucci bag? I don't know. If someone gifted it to me, sure. But does this satisfy my need? Absolutely. So, I hope this video inspires you to rethink some bags in your collection. Maybe you can give them a new life. Let me know if you like videos like this, and if you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please let me know your thoughts about this creative process. I would love to know, what do you do with bags that you no longer love? Until we meet again and get together in the next video, sis, be blessed and not stressed. Bye. Oh, and thank you for watching.